Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be something, kind of scary. So, I wanted to do something a little bit challenging, a little bit different. I've done the 10-minute makeup challenge and I've done like the no mirror makeup challenge. Now, I did a quick search for this on YouTube already, but I couldn't really see anything. I kind of wanted to kick it up a notch and combine the two. Especially with like all these kind of bird box challenges and things like that was going on. So I wanted to do the blindfolded 10-minute makeup challenge. So obviously I need to be able to like do my eyes and stuff like that, so I'm not necessarily going to be able to be blindfolded. So I am just going to close my eyes. So I have another camera set up down here, which you'll probably see on the screen right about now. Here obviously is all of my makeup products. They're all covered up just now. And well, it's a selection of, you'll see them in a second when I take this off, but obviously I want to close my eyes before I unveil these. I've got like my brushes and stuff like that in here, and I'm just going to leave them in their sort of containers and I'm going to dig out from that. But yeah, I just thought that this would be kind of cool to do. Obviously, because I'm going to have my eyes closed, you're just going to have to trust that I have my eyes closed. I mean, why would I sit here and try and cheat and stuff like that? There's absolutely no point. So I'm just going to have to, you're just going to have to trust me that I have my eyes closed the entire time. Timer's on and start. Okay. So I'm not going to prime today. I'm going to start with foundation. And I really should like try and do this a lot quicker. Where's the... I'm using my beauty blender because I figure that's going to be like the easiest thing to do. Oh my god, this is so weird, like not being able to like just open my eyes, like something. How am I going to do my lower lash line? I'm going to have to like, I don't know. I don't feel like I have enough foundation on, like I really, this is hard. Oh, what do I do like to fill the silence? Like, oh my god. Okay, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna have to like try and multitask a little bit, I think. Right. Is that concealer? Yes. Classic concealer noise. Do you know, I've just realised I don't have any lipstick in front of me, so I'm actually going to have to turn around and pick a lipstick out of all of my lipsticks and just hope for the best. Oh my god, getting in underneath your eyes is not easy. I need powder. Ha! I picked the Jeffree Star powder just so that I could kind of get an idea. Right, brushes. I feel like a lot of my time is going to be wasted on trying to find brushes. I know. Oh, found it. Right, this has got a catch on it. Is there powder there? I don't even know if any powder's coming out. This is so stupid. Okay. Nope. Nope. Where are you? That's the one. I think. No, that's not it. Oh my god. This is so hard. Ha! That's it. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. wrong thing. I really hope that this keeps recording. Right, this is blush, I think. It's a blush brush, but I don't want that one. I want like the fluffy one. Do you know what? We're just gonna go with this one. I don't even know if there's blush on this brush already. Right, and then we're gonna get this one again. We're gonna blend. Okay, I need my highlighter. Highlighter brush. Is it? Okay. That feels like Becca to me. Oh. So far I don't think I've done like a bad job in finding the areas of my face that I need to do. Okay, I thought that these brushes would be easy. Oh my god. Right. I have a feeling that this is going to be all over my face. Just really, really, really blend. Maybe we'll be okay. Okay. That's like a metallic I'm feeling. At this point, we're just gonna go for it. Okay. I'm gonna try and get my lower lash back. Okay. I have no idea how that looks. I have eyeliner. Should I give it a go? I don't even know if this is dry or not. I mean, it feels wet. I have no idea. I don't even know what I have left. Oh, mascara. Oh, crap. How do I do mascara with my eyes closed? I've lost it. I've lost. Okay. Oh, eyebrows. Oh, give me a break, give me a break. Okay. I'm trying to do my cheek brows. It feels really wet. Okay, this is gonna be hard. I have to like. No, let's let you. Oh. This is the color we're using. I have no idea what color it is. Leave it open in the shadow. Oh, this is not easy. Like, why? We'll just have to, I know what palette this is. I have no idea what color I'm dipping into right now. If I'm even dipping in a it's its palette here. Yeah. Okay. Maybe we should try lashes. I have these ones. Where's the glue? Is that the glue? Okay. Since we still have time, we might run out of time halfway through this, but I can't get it back in. There we go. Oh, I don't even know what lash this is. We'll go for the side. I've lost the lashes. Oh my god. I'm like wiping my hands on my trousers to try and get the sticky off so that the lash won't stick to my fingers. Where the heck is it? Have I dropped it? What's happening with my eye? I'm done. I can't do anymore. It's not like me doing anything is gonna make this look any better. So, okay, so it turns out that my timer didn't actually work. I was sure it did. It did. Oh, did I cancel it? Okay, in my little rummaging around, I actually cancelled it. So here's me thinking that I've got like loads of time left. It was 25 minutes. Oh no. So this is my just blindfolded makeup challenge now. The 10 minutes thing kind of went out the window, but that's my own fault. And yeah, still, doing your makeup with your eyes closed is kind of cool, kind of funny. So I'm going to see sort of what happened and what we look like. So I don't know what this is. What's this? Why have I got like this mark here? That's weird. Okay. Foundation looks hella cakey, not gonna lie. My lipstick isn't bad. I mean, I got my top lip. I've got a little bit of stuff outside the lines here. Hold on, I'll zoom in. Look at the creasing we've got. My eyebrows are horrible. Okay, so my eyelashes aren't stuck on, but they're not far off. Considering I tried to stick them on with my fingers as well. My eyeliner's jacked, but like along the top, it's actually not bad. Underneath looks quite nice and smoky, and the eyeshadow, like, that's quite nicely blended actually. What did I go into? It looks like I was in guilt trip and everything, so I was obviously like way over here when I was meaning to, actually no. Yeah, I was meaning to go in access and I must have gotten an guilt trip by accident. But I actually gave sort of like a really pretty sheen across my eyes. I quite like that colour. Yeah. Okay, so this was a massive fail. So my blindfolded 10-minute makeup challenge turned into just the blindfolded makeup challenge, or eyes closed makeup challenge, because I obviously unset my timer. What an idiot. So yeah, 25 minutes of makeup. So we might have to like cut a few bits here and there just to make this not a really lengthy video, but yeah, so oh, never mind. Oh well. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. It was kind of entertaining for me to film. I actually think that my skin up here looks quite nice. Not bad. So anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, obviously I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos 3 times a week, usually Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but not always. So hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!